in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Good morning once again. For the roll call, may request the Secretary.
Madam Chair, Honorable Neri,
Present.
Honorable Waminal Jr., Honorable Puente Sepres, Honorable Ko, Honorable Lim, Honorable Salvador, Honorable Suiso Jr.,
Present.
Honorable Lau, Honorable Romero Disican, Honorable Sakin Jr., Honorable Tapayan, Honorable Moralion, Honorable Duhay Lungsod. We have a complete attendance, Madam Presiding Officer.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. For the order of business, may I request the Honorable Majority Floor Leader, Attorney Mars Tapayan, please.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. We have no guest availing of item number 4 because hour. We proceed to item number 5. Approval of the agenda for the day. There is only one proposed insertion or order of business, Honorable Chair. And may I read a resolution authorizing the change of signatories of the local government of Samis bank account for PhilHealth auto credit payment scheme as suggested by our City Mayor, Honorable Sam Norman G. Puentes, Honorable Chair. I will move this motion to approve the agenda for the day with one insertion, Honorable Chair.
Move with the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the approval of our agenda for today with one inclusion as being presented. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. There are no minutes attached or order of business relative to the previous sessions. We proceed now to item number 7, letter C. Number 1, letter dated September 3, 2025 from the Office of City Mayor requesting the approval of a resolution authorizing the local chief executive, Attorney Sam Norman G. Puentes, to enter into and sign on behalf of the city government of Samis the memorandum of agreement with the Department of Health for the Department of Doctors to Samis City under the Doctors to the various program of the DOH. And here to Chairman of the Committee of Public Health and Sanitation, Honorable Catherine Lim, to introduce and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Catherine Lim is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I would like to pass a resolution authorizing the local chief executive, Sam Norman G. Fuentes, to enter into and sign on behalf of the city government of Ozamis the memorandum of agreement with the Department of Health for the deployment of doctors to Ozamis City under the Doctors to the Various program of the DOH for first reading only, Madam Chair.
Move for first reading and be
Only.
referred.
Yes, Madam
And be
Chair.
referred to the appropriate committee.
Yes, Madam Chair.
Motion approved. First reading only.
Second reading.
I'm sorry, Madam Chair. I would like to pass this for first reading with reservation.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Due to its urgency, I would like to pass this for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, Honorable Lim is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment, remarks? Hearing none. Motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Letter D, Mission and Communications, number 1. Resolution number 393-25 from the Sangguniang Panliligan, Misamis Occidental, approving the ordinance number 1331-2025 of the Sangguniang Panliligan of Misamis, an ordinance granting a qualified grace period of 45 days for basic permit post-registration requirements. Honorable Chair, this is a resolution from the Sangguniang Panliligan of Misamis Occidental. I recommend that this approval of resolution ordinance be merely during the record of City Council.
On messages and communications, item number 1, presented by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader, that this be just really noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Number 8, committee report submitted. Number 1, joint report dated August 28, 2025 with the Committee on Laws, Rules and Style, Religious, Committee on Housing, Planning and Settlement, Committee on Environment and Natural Resources, Committee on Public Health and Sanitation, Committee on Trade, Commerce, Industry, and Committee on Foreign Affairs regarding the renewal of application for special use permit of Raymond Snack and Dine. Honorable Chair, I move the motion to concur and adopt this committee report, joint committee report dated August 28, 2025, approval first reading with reservations. Honorable Chair.
Presented by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader on item number 1 of the committee report, that this be concurred and duly adopted.
In the City Public Service and Public Interest, I move the motion to approve, to concur and adopt this committee report for approval and second and final reading within the internal rules.
For public interest, the Honorable Majority Floor Leader is passing this on the second and final reading waiving the internal rules. This joint report dated August 28, 2025 of the Committee on Laws, Rules, Style and Privileges, Committee on Housing, Planning and Resettlement, Committee on Environment and Natural Resources, Committee on Public Health and Sanitation, Committee on Trade and Commerce and Industry, Committee on Barangay Affairs regarding the renewal application for a special use permit of the Raymond's Snack and Dine. Should approve.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. With the adoption and concurrence of the committee report regarding the application of Raymond's Snack and Dine for special use permit, I now yield to Honorable Dingsiso, the Chairman of the Committee on Zoning, to recommend action on this application of Raymond's Snack and Dine. Honorable Chair.
Honorable Romero.
Dingsiso.
Honorable Suizo, you are now recognized by the Chair.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. On the application of Raymond's Snack and Dine located at Purok Ono, Gango, Ozami City, Madam Chair, this representation would like to pass this application on first reading with reservation, Madam Chair.
Passing the first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. After thorough deliberation during the special committee hearing on the application for the renewal of the special use permit for Raymond's Snack and Dine located at Purok Ono, Gango, Ozami City, I would like to pass this on second, third, and final reading, waiving the internal rules on joint motion, Madam Chair, for its approval.
After the thorough deliberation on this particular subject, Honorable Suizo is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none, we should approve on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Number 2, committee report dated August 28, 2025 of the Committee of the Whole, proposed ordinance entitled An Ordinance Regulating the Ownership and Handling of Dogs and Cats in Ozami City. Honorable Chair, I yield to the principal author of this ordinance to move for the adoption and concurrence of this committee report. Honorable Chair, I yield to Honorable Cecil Yuko. Honorable Chair.
Honorable Cecil Ko, you are now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. I move for the adoption and concurrence of this committee report dated August 28, 2025 of the Committee of the Whole, which is the proposed ordinance entitled An Ordinance Regulating the Ownership and Handling of Dogs and Cats in Osamis City, for its adoption and concurrence, Madam Chair.
Moved by the Honorable Cecil Ko for the adoption of this committee report as being presented. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none. Motion approved on the adoption of this committee report.
Adopted na?
Next.
Adopted second panel na? Thank you, Honorable Sen. With the adoption and concurrence of this committee report, I recommend that the episode author, Cecil Ko, will modify the ordinance to conform with the inputs and suggestions deliberated during the public hearing and committee hearing, Honorable Chair, as contained in the committee report, so that to prepare the final version of this ordinance and to submit same to this representation of Majority Leader so that I can sit the same for second reading next session, Honorable Chair.
Okay. Noted your manifestation, Honorable Majority Floor Leader.
Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Next.
We proceed to item number 9, calendar of business. Let's proceed to letter C. Ang assignment says whereby we have only one appropriation, which I will now read. A request for us to pass a resolution authorizing the change of signatories of the local government of Samis bank accounts for PhilHealth auto credit payment scheme. I now yield to the Chairman of the Committee on Civil Service, Honorable Lordy Pendicipris, to introduce an recommendation on this item, Honorable Chair. Honorable Lordy Pendicipris.
Cipris is now recognized the chair for appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair, and thanks to our Majority Floor Leader. I move to pass a resolution authorizing the change of signatories of the local government of Osamis bank accounts for PhilHealth Auto Credit Payment Scheme for first reading with reservation, Madam Chair.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Due to the need of this resolution, I hereby move for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, Honorable Cipris is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment?
Oh, no.
Remarks? Hearing none. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. There are no pending matters on my table under item number 10, basis for third reading. Hence, at this point of time, may we have the privilege and pleasure to hear on CL matters from Honorable Catherine Silim, Honorable Chair.
Honorable Lim, you are now recognized by the Chair.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I would like to update everybody regarding our travel this coming September 16 to 20. The councilors who committed to go with us are Honorable Marcelian Tapayan, Honorable Marcelo Romero II, Honorable Juanito Sakin Jr., Honorable Saulo Salvador, Honorable John Phil Duhay Lungsod, Honorable Dinky Sueso, Honorable Cecil Ko, Honorable Lorly Fuentes Cipres, Honorable Board Sani, Madam Chair. And regarding the transportation, we are still waiting for the approval from our beloved Mayor, Attorney Sam Fuentes. If given a chance that we can ride together with using cost coaster, Madam Chair. And also, if not, I already asked our secretary, our LS to just to file CA, if in case there's no coaster available, and we can have our allowance for fuel, Madam Chair. And that's all, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Lim, for your manifestation.
Honorable Chair, regarding the coaster, the mayor said that he has no problem. He is amenable to put this to coaster, but he would like to verify whether it's due for repairs, because the last time we heard the coaster, there was a notification, engine check, so they might some repairs to be needed in the engine. We don't know the technicality of that, so the mayor will have to verify it. Kung okay ba ang coaster, it will take long travel. If we travel to the SND, it will be about less than 7 hours. SND. It's very peaceful because every kilometer there's a checkpoint. I have passed that way before 3 times na. Ato ko katong sa Sinal Bank, sa Jinsan, ana next sa Davao kadua. Peaceful kayo. Daghang kayong mga trucks, mga transportation, mga vans tanan nangagi. Rural transit agi. So kung maayo ta mag-travel ta daytime, kung nighttime na dili advise sa military nga travel nighttime, kay usahay na yung mga unscrupulous, mga kuan nga mahimong liutan. So sa daytime wala problema. Last all, Honorable Chair, if there are no other matters on the PCL, may we have the pleasure and privilege also to hear SK matters from Honorable John Phil Duelongso, Honorable Chair.
For SK matters, may we hear from Honorable Duelongso.
Thank you, Honorable Majority Floor Leader and Madam Chair. For SK matters, I'd like to inform this august body that with regards the SK Provincial League, as of this moment, the Ozami City is now leading in overall tally of the all sports for championship, Madam Chair, and continue pagyapon ang game up by the next week. Thank you, Honorable Chair. And by the way, our sports for volleyball, men's and women's, and also the basketball are rank 1 of the bracket C, Madam Chair. Thank you.
For volleyball men and women. Okay, noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Before we proceed, I would like to ask for your kind forbearance, because just now the City Mayor's Office forwarded 2 resolutions for our insertion, Honorable Chair, and this might be important. And may I read? This should be the number 2 insertion. A resolution approving the conduct of the aquafarm inventory under the Philippine Fisheries and Coastal Resiliency Project by the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources or to the Provincial Fisheries Office on September 9, 2025, tomorrow. The second is a resolution authorizing the local executive, Samnuman G. Puentes, to enter into and sign on behalf of City Government of Samis the memorandum of agreement with Field Products Service Television Samis Incorporated for the rental of cable television channel. So, Honorable Chair, I move to approve these 2 late insertions to include in our order of business, Honorable Chair.
Move with the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the insertion of these 3 items.
2 items.
2 items as presented. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. We have to take up these two items. First, resolution approving the conduct of the Aqua Farm inventory under the Philippine Fisheries and Coastal Agency project by Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources 10 to the Provincial Fisheries Office on 9 September 2025. Anail to the Chairman of the Committee on Fisheries and Aquatic Resources,
The Honorable
John Sakin, to endorse the recommendation on this item.
The Honorable Juanito Sakin is now recognized by the Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Thank you, Honorable Majority Floor Leader. Honorable Chair, I move to pass a resolution approving the conduct of the Aqua Farm inventory under the Philippine Fisheries and Coastal Resiliency Project by the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources 10 through the Provincial Fisheries Office on 9 September 2025 on first reading, Honorable Chair, with reservation.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. On joint motion, Honorable Chair, I move to pass on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, Honorable Sakin is passing this on second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. The last item, approved session is a resolution authorizing the local executive, Attorney San Roman Gipentis, to enter into and sign on behalf of City Government of Samis the Memorandum of Agreement with the Field Products Service Television and Samis Incorporated for the rental of cable television channel. With the kind indulgence of Honorable Striso, the Chairman of the Committee on Communication, I move this motion to approve this resolution. Approval and first reading with distributions, Honorable Chair.
Move with the Honorable Majority Floor Leader this request resolution on first reading with reservation. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Due to the urgent demand of public interest and in the essential public service, I move the motion to approve this resolution, authorizing the local executive, San Roman Gipentis, to enter into and sign on behalf of City Government of Samis the Memorandum of Agreement with the Field Products Service Television Samis Incorporated for the rental of cable television channel. For approval, second and final reading, waiving the internal rules, Honorable Chair.
Move with the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the approval on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules as being presented. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none, motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. At this point in time, we have the presence and privilege to hear on ABC matters from Honorable John Carlo Morleon, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable John Carlo Morleon is now recognized by the Chair for some ABC matters.
Thank you, Majority Floor. Thank you, Madam Chair, for ABC matters. On September 7, agahapon, Madam Chair, nag-liga meeting may gahapon sa Kinuman Norte. Ang among nahisgutan dito, Madam Chair, is about atong medical cert sa bagong requirements para sa tuang permit sa mga barangay fiesta activities. Is ninghangyo lang atong mga barangay captain nga pwede ra ba og dili medical certificate and kaning with notary man to siya. So pwede ra ba og waiver na lang ang himuon sa barangay nga kaning mga player nga mandula walay labot ang tanan nga nagwana ni og simbako nga madisgrasya sila. So waiver na lang, mas maayo pa, walay gasto and dali ra pod ang pagkuan proseso. And ikaduha, Madam Chair, nahisgutan pod gihapon bahin atong ordinance nga gipasa, dogs and cat nga mga bagong balaod ug unsa ang himuon how to execute daw, unsaon daw nila. And ikaduha is ang gasto daw if makadakop og iro and ang ilang igasto para himuang kulungan sa iro, asa daw sila magkuha. So ako silang gingnan nga siguro na pa may kaduang kuanana hearing dito na lang nato na pod ibalik og sulti og unsa ang inyong mga pangutana kay naa po dito tanan kauban City Council with Vice Mayor. So thank you, Madam Chair, that's all.
Thank you, Honorable Moralion.
Madam Chair.
Yes, is there any other?
Can Honorable Silco respond to that, Honorable Chair? Because
Honorable-
we had public hearing last week, and unfortunately, Honorable Moralion is not around, and he was being ipangita ka sa mga tao dito sa barangay na ayaw mo mga kapitan, ikaw rin wala. So, may we respond to Honorable Ko?
Honorable Ko, you may have some
Yes,
manifestation.
thank you, Majority Floor Leader. The concerns of the barangay captains during the public hearing discussing the proposed ordinance on animal ownership, responsible ownership of dogs and cats in Osami City were already taken during that time. Where their concern was about the budget of building up a temporary shelter and the cost of this project and the source and the supposedly income derived from the penalties. So it was already discussed that their budget for 2025 has already been approved last year, and this new project is not included in that budget. So the majority floor leader was suggesting for a supplementary budget for this in case their existing funds are not enough. So with this, Madam Chair, I would recommend again from the Liga ng mga Barangay to submit their position. Can they still submit their final position paper, so that we can include these changes in preparation for the second reading?
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Honorable Chair, I will have requested Honorable Silco, the principal author of this ordinance, to make a final version of this ordinance for the second reading, because there were many suggestions by the barangay captains, by stakeholders, also from Dr. Sunico, the City Regional Office, about the ordinance, and also the inputs being given by Dr. Irogilog of City Office, which are all important to consider by the premiers of this ordinance. So, Silco will ask her LS to modify the ordinance so that this can be submitted to this presentation to the majority leader, so I can schedule this for the second reading. That time we'll debate on this ordinance before issuing this for the third reading, Honorable Chair.
Okay, noted, Honorable Majority Floor Leader. Yes, any comment?
Madam Chair.
Honorable Suiso, then Honorable Waminal.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Good morning, everyone. I support the wisdom of Honorable Carlo Moralion, Madam Chair, regarding sa sports activities, sa requirements sa waiver tungod kay considering nga kana po usual nga requirements sa atong sports before mag-start ang dula, waiver man yun. So full support ko sa wisdom ni Honorable Carlo Moralion. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Okay, noted your manifestation, Honorable Waminal. Yes, next is Honorable Suiso.
Thank you, Madam Chair. This is in line with the stray dogs ordinance, Madam Chair. Nga. During the committee hearing, we discussed the costing of the said ordinances that will be burdened by the barangay. Kay nahadlok sila or kanang naguulo sila, Madam Chair, kay asa sila mangitag ipakaon kung madakpan tong mga iro, pagkahuman asa sila mangita pod og i-build og mga facility para ikulong ang mga
Secure.
ero. So, we will make sure during the plenary discussion that ma-insert dito nga nagi sharing si barangay nga kung nagi lukaton nga ero sa nadakpan, good for 3 days, part sa kuan, part nga ibayad sa tag-iya dinhi sa syudad mo balik ni barangay o particular percentage kung pila ang kuan mabalik sa barangay. So from katong lukaton, from katupong violation or penalties nga atong i-impose, nagay mauli ni barangay para form part siyang income, tapos mo putoy makasustain. Although pwede sila mangitag other kanang income, pero para po ma-encourage sila panakop, na po sila share sa ilahang kuan mga violation of penalties later sa ilang kuan. So that would be our economic benefit for the barangay, Madam Chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Suiso. Is there any committees being created to work out on that particular plan? Do not create ng committee para ma-work out ng inyong plano? Yes?
During the committee hearing, Madam Chair, I think moray gusto nila nga mas maayo kung nag-share. So probably kung ma-include lang siya sa ordinance, it could be part of the implementation later on. Okay. Si sharing manggod will be for the treasurer's office. So kung nanay ordinance, maybe they could legally transfer the said share sa matag barangay.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Honorable Moralion, you are raising your...
Thank you, Madam Chair. Una, siguro, if or ma-approve ang ato ang bagong ordinance is kung saon og asa ang ikuha nato nga support dayon kay sa bagong balaod dapat ato pong malihok pudayon man. So asa ta dapit magkuha suportaan na. Thank you, Madam Chair.
I think that has to be discussed lengthily during the committee hearing. Yes, Honorable Ko.
Thank you, Madam Chair. This committee would really appreciate it much if the ABC Vice President can submit from his barangay chairpersons of the specific amount that they want or they wish to impose. Like for example, the apprehension fee, what would be the suggested or the preferred amount from the barangay chairperson, kay ang atuang proposed ordinance was stating that it is 20 pesos. If they deem it deem it insufficient, so please specify their suggested amount for this and the rate per day. Kay ang sa ato ang propose is 30 pesos ang impounding, 20 pesos ang apprehension fee, and tagpila tong per day? Pila tong per day? 30 gihapon per day for the impounding fee. So, and then the sharing of the barangay and the LGU, whether it would be 50-50 or 75-25%. 75 to the barangay, 25% to the LGU. So please have it in hard copy and please submit to the committee before we finalize the proposed ordinance in preparation for the second reading.